Welcome to Platform Demos. In this episode, we're going to focus on Social Media Manager. To access the Social Media Manager, log into your platform and click on the Social tab. If this tool is activated, you'll start to see a place where you can start to manage all of your different social profiles in one single platform. To get started, you're going to come over to your services, start adding your services. As you can see here, there's everything from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, Facebook ads, and a number of other different platforms and applications you can manage right through the system. Once you've connected your services, come into the Engage system and you'll be able to see all of your different page streams like your Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business, all the streams you'd want to keep track on. Or come over into your inbox where you can manage all of your direct messages and engagements from all your social channels in one email standard view. You can also see what you've sent, what you have scheduled, anything you may have queued up or drafted, your calendar, which will show you all your upcoming posts, and anything that might have bounced and why that would have happened. A couple other neat features, in the monitor system, you can manage and monitor different keywords or search terms for your business or your competitors. You can also manage your content. Let's say you need new suggestions for things to post on your social media profiles. Click on Suggestions, and then you can explore new topics or saved topics. Let's say I'm a brewery, and craft beer is one of the topics I want to look at. I come in here, I can find articles and influencers based on that topic, and then if I find an article interesting, I can actually share this right with my social profile just by the click of a button. Speaking of composing, we can actually compose right through here to all of our different social profiles as well. I can come in, select the different social profiles that I want to post to, create my content, hello world, and then I can even change the content between the different social platforms that I have. If I want to say something a little bit longer on Facebook, maybe I want to add an image on Instagram, maybe I want to add some hashtags to Twitter, I can differentiate my social postings per profile. I can also come in and add any images or videos that I want to my profiles. I can do that from uploading to the file system, from URLs, YouTube, or I can save things in my own media library to use over and over. Let's say I want to use this as an image for my social media post. I come in, I attach it, and there it is. One of the other great things about this platform is after you've added an image, it actually allows you the ability to come and edit that image right through the platform with a native editor on system. I can come in here and I can choose how I want my post to look, and I can actually select different default sizes for each one of my different posts. I can also transform it, I can add filters, I can add text, and I can add stickers right through the system here. Once I'm happy with my post, I save that. And then I come down here and I can either send now, I can set up approval processes if I need, or I can schedule my post to go out at a later date and time right through here. I can also post in bulk as well. If I want to come in here and click here, I can create a whole bunch of different posts that will go out on whatever day and time that I want. A great way for marketing agencies to be able to come and manage a bunch of posts for the week all at once. Of course, after you start to utilize a system like this, you want to be able to measure it as well. Right in here, you come to your Reports hub, and you'll be able to dive into the analytics of each one of your different social profiles, or use the engagement report to see all of your profiles together in one report. You can also build your own custom reports. Say you want to build something that just says Facebook and Instagram. I can build the custom reports of that and then be able to report on just those two social profiles. Say you need to report to a boss or to a client through the system. You can also set up automated reports to go out on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis to really show your client or your boss what it is you guys are doing and how it's engaging for their social strategy. That's a social platform in a nutshell. Very powerful, one of the most popular tools on the platform, and easy to use to make sure that you're maintaining all of your social profiles in an engaging and functional way. Want to learn more? Click the link in the video description to schedule a product tour today.